everyone, as you all know, your summer holiday is going to be start. I have given some homework. You have to do in same manner whatever I am explaining. First, every day you have to write down one page writing. So you have to purchase one new notebook from market. It should be separate and write down one page writing every day. It should be neat and clean. Okay. Now, the second homework I have given you, you have to prepare a model of noun. As you all know, there are 5 kinds of noun. So, you have to prepare any kind of model of noun in that same manner. So, as you can see, this is a model of proper noun. Okay. So, in that manner, you have to prepare your model of noun. So, it may be proper noun, or as you can see, this is common noun. In that manner you can make a common noun model also, or if you want to make a model of material noun, so in that manner you can make the model of material noun. It means any kind of noun model you can prepare. Now the third homework is you have to make your own dictionary. The chapter was our dictionary chapter was there. So in same manner you have to prepare, you have to make your own dictionary. So first you have to purchase a diary from the market, and whatever I have told you about the dictionary, suppose if I am writing down the letter of A words, so you have to write down 5 words with letter A, and you have to write down above of the page letter A, and then write down 5 words and their meanings. Next is B, and then write down their words and their meanings. So in that same manner, A to Z letters you have to prepare words and their meanings as given in the dictionary, and it should be decorated. And the next homework is should be there. You have to learn all PT1 syllabus, because after holiday break there is PT1 examination. So you have to prepare yourself for examination. Learn all book work in reader and grammar also. So enjoy your holiday.